What's up, y'all? We back at it again. I'm out here recording my friends riding their mini bikes out here on YouTube. They're out there somewhere driving around. I hear one of them coming. Way down there. Look at that. That one's Cody. We did little modifications with that one. And the other one, Chuck. Way down there. Here he comes. Here they both come. Chuck's is needs a little souped up. But mine, I'm about to show you guys what I did with mine. That's the original 80cc that came with them bikes. You buy them from Walmart, $300. Order them offline, walmarts.com. And I did a little modification with mine with the governor arm. So mine would move a little faster. I took a paper clip, I bent it, both ends of it. I bent both ends of it, put one end on the governor arm and one end on the throttle arm. And when you pull it back, it's pulling back your throttle. When you pull your throttle back, your governor arm pulls and it doesn't bounce back. See what it does if you don't put that on there? It has original spring on there. Little cheapy spring. You put it on there, and it causes the arm to move back, and then it'll keep you at a original speed. That Cody standing up, rolling. Got my dude Chuck. I wanna ride my bike. I gotta keep Cody about to ride a Willy for a show. Look at that. Rode a long Willy. That was a nice one. I had to redo it because the video wasn't working. That was a nice Willy, Cody. That's my friend Cody, by the way. On the last video with the 212, he's about to get him a little chopper bike, which is pretty cool. We'll go around the block for y'all. See you on the take a different route. And then we're gonna let our bikes cool because these little motors overheat. Little motors overheat. So yeah. Bike's pretty fast, so I'm gonna show you guys what I did, but this is how fast it goes. Pretty fucking fast. And it slows itself down. Time to let the bikes cool. But this is what I did with mine. I did, see that paper clip? Oh, hold on, I gotta zoom mine out. How far is it looking at Chuck? See! Chuck's bike. But I'm about to show you. Okay, you see that paper clip? You see that paper clip? I put that on the governor arm and the governor thing, and I took my air box off. Regular 80cc engine. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Me and Cody is out. Sponsor Monster. Later, and subscribe, and any questions or any answers, text under. See ya. And see!